This is exactly what I mean by a fucking bullshit candle. Because like they have a fat ass move like this, and then you got a bunch of traders talking about, oh, I'm finna sell. Like this is like, it's so crazy. Like the market is fucking with niggas' heads.
What was your logic behind the last trade you took? Put it in signals.
Okay, yeah. I'm glad you asked that one. I remember your voice. What's your name again?
Tricks.
What's good, Tricks? What's good? For this last trade, is like I saw a trend line forming. Like it's just like I don't even have to draw anything on my charts. I see like a slant forming. From this, I was like, okay, but there's some type of trend line around here. Try to find a nice median for this. So with this, the most natural place is probably like here, and I would have dragged it out. So maybe from like this slant, using this point as my B, and then just drag that out. That's nice. Sure. So I saw this trend line, and I think on the 15-minute I was looking at this shit. I think I had bought earlier. This is a trending market. This is a clear trend. This is why like I had that lesson before where like I was like trying to get you guys to like mark up. I was like, I'm trying to train your brain to see trending markets. So like if I see the nigga, I'm straight, nigga. Like I can hold my trades for longer if I really want to, and like it's just I can go in with like more confidence. Like the trades are gonna like play out a lot faster too, type shit. So yeah, I think I went down. Let me see on the 1 minute what it looks like. I like to try to find some type of like confirmation, but I think with that one I was just like, man, fuck it, trend line ain't broken, I'm just gonna take it. And it's just like, this is what I mean by like this is bullshit, because like I'm telling you, there's like a bunch of other traders. It was either, let me see, let me look at signals real quick. I called out the one, the big ass candle on the 15-minute. Okay, so I called out the one previous to it. I called out this shit. This is exactly what I mean by a fucking bullshit candle, because like they have a fat ass move like this, and then you got a bunch of traders talking about, oh, I'm finna sell. Like this is like, it's so crazy. Like the market is fucking with niggas' heads. It's so crazy. Like, and if you give into FOMO, if you're impulsive, this is why I'm like, I be calling out all your bad habits and shit, because you have to fix these things. If you don't fix them, the market's gonna fuck with you. It's gonna find whatever your flaw is, and it has scenarios for impatient niggas. That's consolidation. That shit fucks me up, nigga. It has shit for FOMO traders. It's gonna be when like it does impulsive moves like this on structure. Because what it does is like you have people that are like, they're seeing this big ass move, they're like, okay, bet it's a sell right now, I'm gonna sell this shit. They're not seeing this trend line, and this is why like you have to know where the structure is. So it's just like a lot of traders are trying to sell right now, and all the players actually know what the fuck's going on. It's like, oh, it's by my trend line right now, oh, it's by a structure point right now, this is a great place for me to buy low. So then they buy. So I literally just bought there. I don't even think I waited for confirmation or anything like that. Like, and if you really wanted confirmation, you'd have to go down to the 1 minute chart. You just want to see this. You just want to see the higher lows forming. So boom, boom. From there, it kind of just hovered right there. And well, you could even say these two. You just want to see these higher lows forming. Like if you're ever at a trend line and the market starts to, let's say we're at trend line, we're doing this, like we're going up. All you want to do is go down to lower time frames and wait for the market to start shifting. Seeing those lower highs by it, that's telling you the sellers are coming in type shit. So like you can take a chance on that. Like if you want, just going on the third one or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Same thing if it was going the opposite way. Boom, 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 boom. Like you go down to lower time frames, but if you just see, it's just slowly, like even if it breaks, like sometimes it'll break below it actually. It'll do this, and then it'll just go boom, 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 boom. Like nigga, take that. This is why I teach y'all market structure.
Yeah.
You feel me? And then like you just fucking, you can start buying from there. You know what I'm saying? So like that's all I had to look at there. Like even though like that's why like I don't call out all my trades sometimes, because like some of the shit I didn't really teach you. Some of it's just intuition, bro. Like I should probably, I'm teaching right now though. But it's just certain trades is just like, I'm just like my brain's just like, yeah nigga, take this, just take this. Like you know, like and there's times like I'll look at the market, I'm like, oh it's gonna do this, and then it's gonna go right back up, blah blah blah. I think I called out like when it went back up, but I think I was done with the market. I think somebody had said, is this a good trade? And I was like, yeah, nigga, go ahead. Like, as long as the trend line don't break, nigga, you straight. And like, he took it or whatever. And I think it just went up. And it's like, you just got to get to that point with it. And you got to be content with like just getting your market, getting your money in and leaving. Cause like, sometimes I do be wanting the merry trades, and that can f you up. Like, let's say, like, cause this is why I always say go for TP1 or 2. You have to, this is guaranteed. TP1 is guaranteed. Cause what I be trying to do so a lot of the times, and I'm done doing this, is I'll just try to aim for Omega every single time. And I think it's possible to get up there as long as the trend line holds, but
I find myself trying to do the same thing.
Yeah, and it's just you don't want to, cause it's gonna fuck you up, bro. Like it's just like just take your bread and get out, cause like the longer you stay in the market, the more your money's at risk. The more trades you place, the more money you have at risk. So like, it's just, I want to get in and out and just be done, because the market, like, the game is to take my bread, and the longer I'm in it, the more my emotions are gonna get stirred up. Honestly, that's like, it's really on some monk shit. Like, how calm can you stay, how like in control and zen can you stay while you're trading? That's gonna like determine how successful you're gonna be.
I try not to look at the charts.
Yeah, no, I do the same shit, bro. This shit traumatizing, bro. I can't look at it, bro. I'll see one candle, like, I'm telling you, I get out of like great entries because I just see retracement, one candle going against me, and I'm just like, nah, fuck that, nigga. I ain't finna, like, it's just, and it's perfectionism, and it's like, this is why you have to understand how to psychoanalyze yourself, because if you can't psychoanalyze yourself and you don't understand yourself and your strengths as well as weaknesses, you have, like, after this live, take a piece of paper and just think of yourself as a superhero. What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? You have to know both, because this market is gonna f with you. It knows you enough. This is based on some dumbass algorithm I'm sure the fucking banks made to make their money. You feel me? They let other niggas, they give you opportunities to make money, but then it has so many different ways to fuck with your mind, like these bullshit ass candles. If you see a bullshit candle and post it, exactly, you feel me, and it hinders your trading, because like, this is literally, like, no cap, this is like, it sounds crazy, this is literally an infinite reservoir of money, literally. Like, that's what is in front of us right now. So like, they have to make it hard on you, so you have to, like, which is why I kind of like, I used to be like, man, fuck the Matrix, but it's like, if the intention is that the only people that get money are people that have completely mastered their mind, their body, maybe even their soul, and then they can have this money, then it's like, that's technically a good thing.
They're the ones that are worthy.
Yeah, it's like trading, it forces self-actualization, and I think that's the most beautiful thing in the world, because you have to improve yourself in order to get good at this shit. I can show you all this shit all day. I can show you a million examples of it working, and you'll still find some way to fuck it up if you have some fucking shadow or demon bothering you in your mind. You feel me? There's times where I'll just convince myself I'm wrong too, because I'm talking to myself in a certain negative way, like, you're a fucking dumbass, how the fuck you lose this much money, why the fuck you overtrade and you still fucking up, nigga. Like, it's a self-sabotage thing, and that will fuck up my trades, because then I'm just like, I'm in this bad mood, I'm in this bad perspective, and then I can't see the market how I'm supposed to see it.
Did the same thing Friday on EURUSD.
G,
I did the same thing, and I didn't even get in the fucking trade.
see, can't do that, bro. And you were mad at yourself afterwards, huh?
I was pissed off all day.
Oh, it will ruin your day, bro. It will ruin your day.
That was a $300 trade.
And what you should do with that is you should write it down. I have trades like that in my journal where I'm like, nigga, that was $1,000 in 10 minutes, and you talked yourself out of that shit. And I'll write it down in my journal and be like, yeah, you need to fix your anger, or you need to stop talking bad about yourself, because you literally costed yourself $1,000. You know what I'm saying? And then when you read it like that, you're like, okay, fuck, I'm gonna fix this problem, because you're not gonna want to lose $300 next time right in front of you for free again. You feel me? So you're gonna fix the problem. So journal those problems, bro. Even when you angry, journal. You want to do it when you're angry, actually, because when you read that shit again, you gonna feel that shit, and those emotions, that vibration essentially is like, it's power that's gonna help you manifest what you actually want to manifest. You feel me? So if you write it with whatever emotion, you're energizing it and saying, okay, I'm not gonna do this anymore. You feel me? Because I'm not gonna cost myself $1,000 anymore.
That's good though. I'm gonna start doing it right now. Every fuck up I do down too.
Do it, yeah.